The Jewish farmer Yehuda Marmur has been fighting against Arab squatters for a few years already. A court in Tiberius came out with a ruling, but the ruling was in favor of the squatters. This seems to be a never-ending story of a Jewish farmer fighting for his land in the Jewish state.
The criminal has no respect for the court or for the people around him. Any kind of laxness on the part of the court merely encourages crime and empowers the criminal.
Several months ago, we reported about Yehuda Marmur, a farmer, and his unrelenting struggle over his right to raise a herd of cattle on land that was leased to his family in the late 1960s. Marmur's neighbors, the Arab Bashir clan, decided that the land belongs to them too. Since then, they have been trying to defeat Marmur through violence. Yehuda Marmur decided that the best way to keep the invaders off his property would be restraining order from the court. But this move may have backfired. Judge Rim Nadaf of the Nazrat Magistrates Court decided in favor of the Arab clan, citing the damage that they would suffer if their cattle were deprived their grazing ground.
We were shocked to find that the court gave a temporary decision allowing the clan to sit on the land until the next court session. The court said that if they were evicted, they would suffer heavy damage. We are asking, what about the damage to Marmur? He has been suffering abuse and damage for years and years. How does this figure into the court's decision?
A new forum has been established in order to coordinate the struggle against agricultural crime. It is headed by advocate Amit Yifrach. The lawyers in the forum believe that there needs to be a central body in the struggle against thefts of property and produce and threats against farmers.
We will meet with judges and explain to them the meaning of these decisions. They need to understand that the criminals who come to the court always try to portray themselves in the most innocent way. Furthermore, the judges do not always understand the meaning of a struggle over land. They think that these are just people who are trying to make a living. They don't understand that these are people who are making their living off of other people while using serious violence. This is the point of the forum.
The forum asks farmers to report every case of agricultural crime in order to push the law enforcement authorities to deal harshly with these criminals.
I don't care if the person suffering is a Jewish farmer or an Arab one. We will help them all. And I don't care if it is a Jewish farmer or an Arab one who is causing the damage. We will fight them all.